This is my spot quarry. A little bit dirty, nasty quarry. I'm dead. Somebody caught me here. No man. My YZ125 98 model. This is my spot. Rapos, this is my spot, man. Dude. This is my jump. Dirt jump. I made it. My bare own hand. This one. And the receivers. This is the uploads in the receiver over there. This is number 2 and 3. This one is about 5 meters from there. So one, the big one, there, to there. There. Very nasty, man.